Things conference, a place where we meet, share knowledge and collaborate. LoRaWAN is here and now. You can touch it, build it, generate value with it today. Regardless if you are tracking thousands of cows in New Zealand, precision farming, monitor conveyor belts, keep the grass of your golf course green, optimize inspections, food compliance, keep public parks fresh and clean, measure power consumption, detect forest fires early, monitor the health of patients. LoRaWAN is here to enable. Enjoy this event through its experiences, knowledge and connections. Have a great conference.
You spent your time, your money, you're risking your career to be here, and so we asked ourselves, what do we want to bring in return? What's in it for you? What we want everybody to at least have a new idea next week, pitch it to your customer, pitch it to your systems integrator or your boss, and deploy and execute within 6 months.
LoRaWAN is a wireless connectivity standard designed for constrained devices. So think of battery-powered sensors that are sending a few data points a few times per hour.
Great, so we started 7 years ago with the belief that building IoT solutions is incredibly hard. So what we wanted to do is support developers and engineers to make it very easy to at least go from 0 to 1.
The Think Stack allows you to very easily develop and deploy LoRaWAN solutions. Here on the left-hand side, you see the device maker ecosystem. And what is really nice and unique about LoRaWAN is that you can really mix and match your solution. You can pick existing certified LoRaWAN devices and LoRa gateways from many different vendors to build your LoRaWAN solution. So let's hear it from our customers.
Every day is important.
Wildfires are causing 7.8 billion tons of carbon emissions each year.
Provide detailed information about the air quality of each classroom.
From monitoring and managing healthy and sustainable homes, GoldenEye provides a wealth of information to property service teams
to create engaging, effective, and healthy workplaces.
Our system is saving lives.
Saving energy.
Buildings work for people. 1 trillion litres of water is lost across the UK.
20% of global CO2 emissions, we need to get rid of that.
Using clever technology and LoRaWAN.
This is something different. Tell us what this device does.
This device can be integrated into all of your product in case you want to monitor something that is not near a terrestrial gateway.
Today they have 3 satellites flying around the globe, and you can use 1 for free. So when you are deploying tens of thousands of devices, you really want to protect those LoRaWAN root keys. And for that, we are launching a new service, the Things Join server. It makes sure that you can really own and control the security credentials of your LoRaWAN devices. And that allows you to securely switch from the Think Stack Cloud to the Think Stack Enterprise, or even switch to one of our competitors while controlling the root keys of your end devices. We also have the Network Operations Center, which is our new feature, and it allows you to dive deep into the performance of your gateway. See the uptime of all the gateways. You can go to a gateway, get insight, see the channel utilization over time, and this allows you really to quickly diagnose any issues that you have. We decided not to build an IoT platform, but instead we integrate with many different IoT platforms. For instance, Morgan Sindall uses Azure IoT Hub, and Azure contains a very easy-to-use, low-code, no-code platform to click and create workflows to process data that are coming straight from the Think Stack. What Phil also mentioned is that he uses a lot of different LoRaWAN devices. And for that, we launched the device repository, and that has grown now to including thousands of LoRaWAN device profiles. And that allows everyone to easily and quickly and safely onboard LoRaWAN devices, because all the information about how that device behaves and which LoRaWAN versions and all the settings it uses are loaded straight from the device repository. But we also encountered a problem. The decoders, they produce many different data structures. And that makes it challenging for developers to consume data from different devices. So we're adding a new step called the Normalizer. And that allows developers to match the output of their decoder to a standard format, the normalized payload, so that the data stream looks exactly the same for all the LoRaWAN devices connected to your network. And when you are deploying tens of thousands of devices, you want to make the onboarding really easy and quick. So for that, we now added a new onboarding flow to the Think Stack console that allows you to easily scan a QR code right in your browser. So this only takes 20 seconds, which is already much better than 5 minutes entering keys, but we also support importing CSV files for bulk import of thousands of devices at the same time.
Growth in the IoT market, where we'll be registering our millionth devices somewhere this year. And if you think the effort you need to actually provision a device, the total cost of ownership is already something around $200 over the lifetime. And the business case of this IoT application is mostly 5 to 10x. So you can do the math what this kind of installed base generates in value. That's looking backwards. Looking forwards, we see another trend, that the time to value is getting shorter. And the timing cannot be more perfect, because when we started in 2015, we were lucky if our customer would deploy in 2 years. We now see customers literally deploy from idea to deployment and value creation in 3 months. And this is critical. Time is money, and LoRaWAN is here and now, and you can start now and have your return in 3 months. So yeah, enjoy the show, enjoy the conference.